Hi everybody, hello. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, Lux Divination. Thank you so much for joining in, tuning in Divine Collective. This would be a channeled message for you. So, hey soul fam, I welcome all of you. I don't know who needs to hear this right now, but you're not crazy. You're not making it up. I know that you're literally in a spiritual initiation as we speak. Your higher self signed up for this movement and it's a go time. If things have felt extra intense lately, like random mood swings, feeling drained, dreams that are half movie, half horror story, people acting shady, then you're not alone. Let me tell you that. Now, the energies right now are testing you hard because you're so close to the next portal of your destiny. The leaky bus era is over. Now, some of you have been carrying everyone else's emotional baggage like an overworked Uber driver, ancestral trauma, karmic patterns, generational expectations. Nah, babe, you're stepping out of that old timeline and you're no longer obligated to fix what others refuse to heal. That rest stop I dreamt about, that's your divine pause right now. So take it, okay? Breathe and reset yourself. You're the ghost buster now. I was also hearing if you're seeing other people's shadows, drama, or attachments, it's because you have leveled up, okay? You do not attract the darkness anymore, you expose it. And your frequency is literally a walking lie detector. People cannot hide behind their masks around you anymore. So stay grounded, stay compassionate, but do not engage. Observe, okay? Observe and protect your energy. And thirdly, not every opportunity is divine. That's what the labyrinth of choices is all about. That's coming in the readings. Now, there is a sneaky test energy floating around here. 2 2 on the timer as I say this. It shows up as fake love, okay? Fake love, fake money offers, fake spiritual teachers who want to link up privately. Uh huh. Run. Run, bro, run. This is the final wetting before your divine assignment activates. The Most High is asking, will you protect your anointing even when something good looks tempting? Trust your discernment over their words. Okay? You have got backup, by the way. Your angels, ancestors, and soul tribe are walking right alongside you. And that feeling of being watched over, it's real. Okay? You've been initiated into protector status. Okay? You're walking home to source, home to truth, home to you, right? No more chasing false timelines or karmic lessons disguised as romance. 8 8. Wow. The twin flame chase is dead now. Yes. Because, see, you're no longer looking outside for a union currently. Correct? You are the flame here. The longing has been transmuted into devotion to the divine here. That's the highest frequency of love, and ironically, that's what magnetizes the real connections. Okay, so stop waiting, start embodying because the assignment has already begun. And what I'll finally say to you through this message is that you did not come this far just to come this far, right? Put 4 on the timer. You're stepping into your divine platform, okay? Divine voice, your divine assignment through some physical project that you've been taking up or you're just about to implement that. That's why there are so many distractions, psychic interferences, and yes, there has been some karmic bloodline leakage. Whatever your calling is, it's not just a business or a side project, it's a portal. Try to understand that. 1133, as I say this. Protect it fiercely because it has been bestowed to you. Bless it daily and walk it humbly because you are being seen as the lighthouse now. Okay, the darkness cannot follow you home. This is the energy. You have already passed the astral tests, and the next chapter is activation. Activation of everything. So go shine, chosen one. Yes, I'm talking to chosen ones. The world is waiting for your glow. And once you have stepped into that holiest vibration of the covenant here that the chosen ones carry, the world is waiting for your glow, okay? Glow in the sense, shine, your light. Your light is going to expose the darkness in the in the hidden corners. So this was the message, this was the download. But I want all of you to ponder upon it, okay? It's like, coming back to yourself. The Most High is reiterating whatever you have learned up till now, it's being purified into a new kind of wisdom, a new kind of knowledge that's going to help you, right? With divine love, your higher self and the Most High is telling you to shift, okay? Shift before the timelines shift because I think you're the gatekeeper of some sort. You are an intercessor in spirit. You are a spiritual prophet, spiritual seer, spiritual oracle, correct? So let the old timelines burn here and step into a temple made of light. I was also seeing 1919, 0000, 2323 is very significant. Then 3838 is also very significant. Okay, 88, 888, 8888, 999. Okay. Then I also saw 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, and then 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18. Okay. I was also seeing 20, 20, 22, 22. Okay. I would like to end this channeling here. Thank you so much for joining in, tuning in. Keep showering your love, support, and blessings in this way, Divine Collective. It means the world to me. Alright, I'll meet you in the next reading. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Divine Rising and ciao.